The first generation, F-Series, introduced in 1948, was Ford's first new truck designed to be offered to the public after the end of World War II. F-Series trucks were promoted as being extra strength, bonus-built, to last longer. The new trucks featured a flat one-piece windshield, with a taller, wider, and longer, million-dollar cab. The F1 was the half-ton model, built on a 114-inch wheelbase. It had a 6.5-foot bed that provided 45 feet of cargo space. The F1 used a 6-volt electrical system, 3-speed, floor-shifted, manual transmission, and offered a choice between two engines, the base, 95 horsepower, 226 cubic inch displacement straight 6, or a 239 cubic inch, flathead V8, that produced 100 horsepower. The F1 pickup cost approximately $1,200 and came with a 90-day or 4,000-mile warranty. In 1948, Ford sold 289,971 F-Series trucks. In 1949, 227,531, and 358,810 units. In 1950,